everyone, this is I.C.E. Today we will talk about some words from our foundation book, page 2, again. So, first of all, we want to introduce a word called 天. 天, T-I-A-N, first tone. 天 in Chinese is a very flexible word and very useful word. Physically, 天 means sky. So in Chinese, we can have 天空. 空 means empty, 天空, sky. And since 天 originally means sky, so in Chinese, we can also use 天 for weather. For example, 天气. 天 means sky, 气 means air. So the air movements in the sky. 天气, weather. 天气很好, the weather's good. 天气不好, the weather is not good. And of course, if you want to say it's a sunny day, you can simply just describe the word 天, like 晴天, sunny day. And if it rains, you can say 雨天. So 天气很好, the weather's good. 天气很好, the weather's good. 天气很好, the weather's good.